Want to take your video editing from basic to mind-blowing? These pro CapCut hacks will instantly make your edits smoother, sharper, and way more engaging. Stick around till the end because I've got a game-changing bonus trick that will completely transform your editing skills. Let's get started with text reveal, which will instantly give your edits a sleek and professional touch. Duplicate the video in the timeline and bring it on top. Add a text layer and place it at the desired spot. Select the text layer and the duplicated clip and make a compound clip. Now add a split mask to the compound clip. Add keyframes to adjust the position of the mask and slowly reveal the text. To give depth to this effect, increase the feather to 40, and there you have it. The next trick can be used to highlight specific areas of your video and quickly grabs your viewer's attention. Add a text layer to the timeline. Delete the default text and type underscores so that it looks like a line. Make it bold and choose a color of your liking. Now scroll down the right panel and turn the glow on. I will be selecting the glow option that's available in the free version. Set the intensity to 60 and range to 40. Now we have a glowing line. Placing text behind a person gives a 3D feel to your videos, and it also works great for thumbnails. To create this effect, bring your clip to the timeline, duplicate it, and place it on top. Now add a text layer and modify it to your liking. Create a compound clip with the text and the duplicate clip. Now bring the original clip on top of the compound clip. To wrap it up, select Auto Cutout in the Cutout tab. Now the text will come behind the person. Counter animation is a little complicated than the previous ones. First, add a text layer. Delete the default text and type numbers from 0 to 9, one number in each line. Let's say you want to create a 3-digit number, you need 3 text layers in total. So duplicate the text layer twice and place all the layers next to each other in equal distance. Make sure the layers are kept just below the center of the frame. I'm going to place keyframes at different spots so it gives a different speed to each text layer, but this is optional. Then create a compound clip with the 3 text layers and add a rectangle mask. To give a more dynamic feel, add feather and turn on motion blur. Now our counter is ready. If you have watched until here, here's your bonus trick: video inside text. To achieve this in CapCut, add a black screen from the stock materials as base layer. Now add a text and scale it up as needed. It's time to add your video Drag your video and place on top of the text layer in the timeline. Change the blend mode to darken, and now the video plays inside the text. To make it more cinematic, you can add keyframes to scale the text all the way up to the maximum and create a zoom in effect into the video. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to the channel for more editing tips and tutorials.